The nails, or maybe I'm doing a half of the nails. Maybe I should do half of the nails. I get really cool idea for this. Just half of the nails. And I am going to cure it for 15 seconds. All right, 15 seconds, please. And I just love this sneak peek, the new Chrome's powder. I can't wait. That little got that. They are so cute. I can't wait. It's just hard to seeing it, but I'm gonna put it right here so you can see it better. Just need a little bit. Can you see it? It's like how do I say it? It's have a hollow effects, but it's not too much, but it's not too little. Like it's not plain. You know, we're so used to with the plain mirror one. It's just, I love this because it has a little bit of iridescence, but it's not too busy. Great. That's only one half of it. Close this. This really good pigment is so the particle is so fine, so when you are rubs and applies on the nails, it's go blending it right in. So I'm gonna do, just dust it off a bit. And I have a cute little strips right here. I am going to take the piece out of it. I have the gold one. I think I used a gold one before, gold and silver. But I'm gonna use this because as it had a little bit of designs on it, so, and it's pre-adhesive. I might just, not touching your fingers in there, just trim it right here with my scissor. And I'm trying to avoiding is not touching my my fingerprints in there. Just try to look cute. It's really simple, and like all beginners, it's really easy for you to do with, and no like hassle at all. Just make sure you get that little bit of pressure down. And when I put the reason I do it first, because I am going to put some crystal on this. And that's why I have my condensed glue gel will hold that the strips down for me. So I'm going to using condensed glue gels. If you are first time tuning into Glitz accessory and such, welcome. But if you are like having any questions regarding to like if your crystal is have troubleshooting, is keep coming off, you should check this one out. Condensed glue gel. It's thick density and will hold your flat back, your 3D, your chain, and your charms. I'm using my twin tip brush. And I am going to apply it on the side because I think that's what I'm gonna do is on this part. I'm not gonna apply down here as I want to keep my chromatic colors, the chrome that I did earlier. Close that because you don't want to cure it by LED lamp. And wipe your brush off and cap on. No wipe top coat. I feel like I'm so quiet today. You think so? Okay, cameraman will say, yeah. Or maybe I'm just so into it. I'm like, okay. Blend the top coat, which is like floating it, and then blend it out really nicely. This is like it help even it pre-adhesive for the strips, the rose gold strips, but then I still want to do that so then I can able to hold it even like, you know what? I didn't even think. I put the rose gold, but then I have this. I should do a gold, but if you will try at your salon, you should try this, the gold, because it go with the theme of the charms and everything. Lips. Miss Corina, you said lips? All right, so I'm gonna do, I'm like, hello, if I seeing it, I have the, oh, look, little cute seahorse. All right, I am going to, funny is, I don't know is gonna be matching, but I like that, the 3 leaves. I'm gonna open this. I should open it earlier to show, but it's had some kind of, it's really nice if you get this jar. So when you have this, just really gentle because it's so luxury. And then you're gonna do just hold it and using your thumb and press it, and then take the leads out. And here's a cushion, so then you will never scratch your crystal. I really love about that. Can I please get a tray? Can I get It's okay. I don't want to scratch it. I want to put it on the side. It's okay. I'm putting it on the side here. Thank you. So it's clip in. It's really nice. I'm gonna using my, it's funny, I don't know why I really like this one. Something, I'm gonna dress it all up. And I'm using my AB. You never go wrong with the AB. So either if you're doing this, if you are beginner, start playing with your crystal placement, do not panic. If you're seeing it this, you make sure you place charms and crystal are tight together. The closer, the tighter they are together, as longer your crystal gonna last. Because they basically is connecting as a tunnel, and it will protect each other from you know, coming off. This starfish is so cute. And then make sure when you place the precisions of all different charms, make sure they stay tight together and they don't like kind of popping on the top. Also, you also have your precision glue, which is that gonna help it down really nice. I don't know what to do without those. Like, they're such a great tool to help me so much with my work. You know, doesn't matter. I'm like, I'm putting my oh yeah, shell. I saw the shell right there. So cute. Put my, see, my seahorse got like really nice and protected by my big diamonds right there. You're like, I'm good over here, don't take me anywhere. Just it looks so fancy though. Too fancy to wear. I'm gonna using my SS4, I believe. I'm gonna dress it along with all different edges right here. So to keep all my charms and the crystal to be tight together. That looks so cute. Hope everyone have a great Wednesday today. I am going to use some of my beads. I'm going to use a gold bead to fill them in. It looks good. It's had a lot blings on and going on the top. That's why I just want to keep the on a half is plain with a beautiful chromatic newest colors. I'm so excited. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. If you have questions, don't hesitate. Because today I did sort of sugaring from one of the clients. Did Miss Corina ask? Or one of you were asking for it yesterday. So today we're doing, and tomorrow we're doing with one step ombre for black and red ombre. I'm so excited. Please turn on your notification so you know when we are going live, so then we get to share with you. I think I'm good with all of this design right now. I'm gonna do one more bead just right here. I don't want to be too hang off on the edges. No, I wanted to, but I feel like it's cover my my little cube. Great. So pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Hold on. Oh my God. I don't know. It's in my hand. It's so bling off. Hold on. Just make sure get a piece of paper and wipe it off so then you keep the nice shape of your nails. All right. Thank you so much, Nanny. Let me see. Let me go to the comment. Thank you so much. Let me go to every single comments right here. Thank you, Joey. I love that pink nails. Lupita, thank you. Cece, you have to order. Hello. Hi, is Aura. How are you? Thanks so much, Sophia. Are you going to attend Orlando Premiere Beauty Show this year? Yes, Luz, we will be in Premiere Orlando this year. I believe it's May 31st and June 1st. We have it scheduled out, yes. So please stay tuned for, we're also gonna have a class as well. So the more information is gonna come in. So please stay tuned and turn on your notification. Thanks so much. Is Aura. I'm using this Chrome, the newest one. Can I get the chart? It's the chart for this one, but you can see it in this. Oh my God. Yeah, this is so beautiful. You can see, I can see the Chrome right here, but I don't know how your end is. So I am going to using precision glue and make sure I'm filling in all the gaps and edges of the nails. If your first time tuning in, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such, and I am using its precision glue. This is gonna be really a bestie for you because it helps so much with your crystal placement. And I'm going to all the edges, gap and the edges. I feel wherever I feel scratchy, I'm seal them in. And each time you do, just squeeze gently. You don't need a whole lot to fill them in. But you can feel right between the edges, the charms, and between edges and the charm and the crystal. You don't want to be accidentally, well, if you get it on the top of the crystal, you can wipe it off, but you shouldn't get it on the top of crystal as it's gonna ruining the size of the crystal. So I'm feel all of them, and I'm gonna pop this in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then when you start doing this for your clients,